Hey guys, this is Joel here from joelwebsites.com. In today's video, I'm going to have a short interview session with my friend Bhavesh Desai.
Hi.
So basically, he's going to ask me some questions about web development, and these are the questions that people normally have in their mind. These are questions that common people have when creating a website and moreover. So you can just view this video. So I hope some of your doubts are answered in this video. So let us begin by him asking me the first question, and he's going to keep asking me questions till the end of the video. In the end, please comment below what you feel, and if you have more questions, you can mention them in the comment section below. So I hope you enjoy this video and keep watching. So
Okay.
ask me
Joel, can you tell me what is website?
Okay, so website is a thing that people generally use for advertising their services online. Some people use them to sell products and more and so on. So basically it is a thing that the domain name.com. So you can ask me the second question. I hope it is
Okay, second thing I want to know how to develop a website, what things are required.
Okay, so this is also a very good question asked by Bhavesh. So things required for developing a website, a domain name, web hosting, and you'll require a framework and or web designer, and it depends on what website you're developing. So the requirements will depend on what website you're developing, and obviously you'll have to need some budget to create this website.
Do you know what are the types of hosting?
Yes, there are two basic types of web hosting. So the first web hosting thing technology that is used is it is based on the OS. So one is Linux hosting and the second one is Windows hosting. So if in case you are hosting a website based on PHP, you can use Linux hosting or you can use Windows hosting also. But if you are looking to host a website based on ASP.NET technology, you can go for Windows hosting. And you need to keep in mind that PHP hosting is much more convenient for startups because it is open source and it is less costly, inexpensive.
So the main part is how to develop a website.
Okay, so if you are using PHP, you can use certain frameworks like WordPress and Drupal and so on. If you're creating you're creating a shopping website, you can use PrestaShop or Magento and so on. There are WooCommerce and many more are there available online. So you can use any one of these, or you can, if you want to create a very custom e-commerce website, you can contact a developer and make these changes. If you are looking to create a static website, I mean a very simple website, you can get it developed using HTML and you won't need any framework. And the last thing I would like to add to this is that if you are developing a WordPress website, you will have several advantages over developing a normal static website from a developer. So I urge you to use WordPress. So next question.
Okay, see, a website is developed for if I want to buy a domain, then what things are required?
Okay, so for purchasing a domain, you will have to go to a registrar. A registrar can be like something like GoDaddy. There are several registrars like GoDaddy, Namecheap.com, Domain.com. I will list them in the description below, so you can go to any one of them and purchase your domain for a very low price. There are special offers if you want purchasing your first domain. So you can create a new account and purchase your domain already. It is for around $10. You get domain names for just $10 a year. So it's not so expensive and you can start creating your website today.
And my last question is how much money required for developing a site?
Okay, so if you are going for PHP Linux hosting, you can develop your website for nearly free. Are you including the hosting cost or without?
Hosting, domain and developing course.
Okay.
All three.
Okay, so if you are creating a website on Blogger, then the website can be hosted for free.
Free?
You can use Blogger because it has its own hosting and you won't have to worry about it. So otherwise, if you're creating, but Blogger is mainly used for blogging purposes, but you can create a business website out of it.
What about the e-commerce site?
If you are going to create an e-commerce website, it is sensible to go for hosting. It is because you need to host the file somewhere, because in Blogger it's not able, you're not able to create, and they won't give you space to upload your files. And the cost for hosting an e-commerce website can be as low as $4 a month
Okay.
for a year. So it will be around $46 or $50 a year, and including the domain, so it comes up to $50-$60 a year. You can, the hosting cost depends on what registered and which company you are going for hosting.
Okay. And if my website is developed, so is it work on mobile and tablet?
Yes, so in case you are designing
Like
a
responsive website, all the things should be
yes,
work.
the latest frameworks in PHP, whatever popular frameworks are used in PHP are currently use a responsive design. They are developed using technologies like Bootstrap. So this will enable you to have an excellent design. Plus, this the website will be adjusted based on the mobile width. So basically, the mobile will have a smaller width, and so it will, the design will be adjusted accordingly to the width.
Okay. Thanks, Joel, for giving me information.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who have basic questions about web development. If you like this, if you want to look at similar videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So take
Subscribe.
care. So subscribe today and take care and peace out. Bye.
Yeah.